In this video, we are going to see how we can fix the black and white screen on your laptop. So if you see a screen just like so and everything has turned gray or black and white, don't worry. There's nothing wrong with your PC. You only need to do a little setting in order to get the colors back. So what you need to do is just head over to the start menu and right here settings, open that up. And from here, we will choose accessibility. And from here, we can see the option of color filters. Click on that. And if your color filter is enabled, make sure to disable that and immediately your colors will get back. So basically here, you can customize all of those settings. So we close out of here and all of our colors are now returned in our laptop. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.